Hello everyone, and thank you so much for purchasing my course on learning Power BI. I want to start by introducing myself first, then I'll walk you through the exciting things we'll be learning throughout this course. My name is Reed Havens, and I'm the founder of Havens Consulting and Microsoft MVP. My company works with clients to provide insights and reporting by creating data models, primarily using Microsoft Power BI and Excel. I started Havens Consulting back in 2013 and have had the pleasure of working with numerous organizations both within the US and international. I'm also a course developer and instructor at the University of Washington in Seattle. Now, enough about me. Let's get talking about what you'll be learning over the span of this course. This course is designed to immerse you in the world of modern BI reporting and data modeling. While there are many reporting options on the market, Power BI is the best combination of affordable, easy to learn, and cutting edge. Regardless of your previous skills with Power BI, this course will be presented in a way that is approachable and with a gradual learning curve. Now, my philosophy with teaching any toolset is to run students through a scenario that mimics a real-world use case. In regards to Power BI, this means we'll start with a set of project requirements and then learn how to leverage Power BI to turn those requirements into a completed and well-designed report. We'll be diving into more detail on the flow of this course in the next video, but at a very high level, we'll learn how to connect to a data source, transform and shape our data, create a streamlined relational data model, design a report, and publish that report to the Power BI service. By the time you're done with this course, you'll have completed an entire end-to-end reporting project, learning the important and essential skills along the way. So sit back, relax, and again, thanks for watching.